Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how we can add new font in Canva. So I will show you step by step process. So let me start with the video. Okay guys, so here we are in Canva. So in Canva there is a two way that you can add your new font or font. Okay, so first option, just come to the Canva here and home page and just expand this. Just click on this icon, then this will be expand. Now go to the brand, just click on brand. Okay, here we need to go in these fonts. Another font, you can see all the existing fonts of Canva, and from here you can go to the add. You can upload the new fonts. Okay, from here. Okay, so you need the font file on your device, then you can upload font from here, and from here you can add text style. Okay, like quote, caption, body, whatever. And here we have that you can rename or delete that fonts. Okay, this is our fonts. Here you can manage your uploaded fonts. This font I have already uploaded, you can manage it. You can delete from here. Okay, and you can also go to the manage upload fonts, and you can upload fonts from here also. You can see there is a choose file option, so you can just choose your font file from your device. A second method, if you are working on any design, okay, and while you're working you need the new font, you can simply, let me open one design here. Okay, so you need, if you want upload new font while you're designing the on Canva, so first select the any font like this, and now just go to this font options, just scroll down, and here you can see the upload font option. Just you can click and upload your fonts from your device. Okay, after upload you can just refresh and you can find your font here. Okay, here at bottom or somewhere you can find your uploaded fonts. Okay, so I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.